Hey, you're back in the car with TheEZGZ. Couldn't stand it anymore. Been so cold, got cabin fever so bad, so decided to come over and get myself a burrito at my favorite little Mexican joint here. And me and the dog are gonna go up to the hills and look at some snow or something and eat a burrito. Nice and sunny, the sky is blue. Little frost on the mountains. Got some more snow in the back range there. I think we'll just go straight up 34 to Estes Park and just have a look around. I thought we'd just start on a little side road. You guys have been here many times. This is where we saw that bighorn sheep. You know where we're at? Huh? Huh? You know where you were at? I was kind of curious if they plowed this. Might not have been the city. Might have been some rancher or somebody that lives around here. I just love this little stretch of road though. Unless I meet a truck or somebody coming the other way. We're right at the base of the mountains. That's the river down there. Now this is something I did not expect. Open water at 8,000 feet. Oh. I wonder if water's coming out the tunnel. Big old icicles. Yeah, I don't know. No, I don't think it is. I didn't think this lake was that deep. It's really windy here though. My goodness. We finally found some snow. $8,383 feet. Windy, sunny, blue skies. I have not been here. We are in Rocky Mountain National Park, folks. I have not been able to get in here since this COVID thing started. First they shut it down, then it was all this hokey pokey reservations things, and it's like, that's not how I roll. I've got my senior pass so I can get in for free, and the road does go through to, I guess I did drive over the road to one of my fishing holes. Yeah, but I haven't been on this leg. This is a dead end leg here. And see here, we're at the top of a hill. Wind's blowing hard. I'm going slow, 20 miles an hour. I had to downshift. Yeah, there's just nothing there. My big, strong 2-liter can't breathe. Even when it's windy. And I'm not interested in going very fast. Sometimes you see some wildlife here in the trees. It's just so beautiful. Hope your day is going well. Get out and do something fun for a little while, huh? Look up, look up. So many people got their head down looking a couple feet in front of them, a car length ahead of them. Take a moment and look up. Thank your Creator for this beautiful scenery. I just love this. It's just charging my battery. So I don't even think we're gonna pause here. Maybe I will, just for a minute. Just to listen to the wind. Wind in the pines. That's a different kind of music. Well, here we are. Found some snow. There's always a spot. I don't know if you can hear the wind in the trees, but it sounds wonderful. Yeah, found a little spot. Should have brought my snowshoes. Deer. Yeah. Glad I decided to go this way. Saw some wildlife. Just gorgeous. No matter how many times I come up here, it just, the light, the shadows, and the conditions just, I don't have words to describe it. I are a mountain man. But wait! There's more!
I need a burrito. That's what I need.